So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and work around with the individual elements manually in Strikingly. So let's start with the text element. So to go ahead and add in the text element, I'm going to go around and add in a section, and then I'm going to go to advanced, and then I'm going to go for make your own section. So here are some sections right here, but I'm just going to go ahead and delete these out right here. I want to go ahead and make my own section. And for making sections, you can go ahead and then add in different elements as needed. Let me just go around and then let's say, for example, delete all of these out right here. So now as we have the make your own section right here, you can see that I can go ahead and click on the add element button. And then there's different sort of elements that you can bring in right here. For example, there's text right here. And as you do that, you can see that it says add in a paragraph text. So I'm just going to go around and say this is a sample paragraph right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around over here, paragraph right here, just like this. And let's just go ahead and copy and paste these out right here. So you can see that this is what you have. You can even go ahead and press enter and change around how that looks. You can go around and bold it, italicize it, underline it, and do the basic formatting. And of course, you can go ahead and add in hyperlink to the text as well, to a particular document or a web as you want. So let's just go around and say www.wikipedia.org right here. So let's just go around over here and say wikipedia.org and then press OK, and the link is added in. You can even go ahead right here and change it out to heading as you want right here. And let's say, for example, add in a subheading as you want as well. So you can go around over here and let's say, for example, say heading 2 right here, just like this. Change around the font size as you want as well. So right now you can see that the paragraph is left aligned, but you can go ahead and select and then center align it right here. You can go ahead and right align it right here, and you can even go ahead and then justify it out right here, just like this. You can go ahead and add in lists as you want as well. So I'm just going to say item 1, and I'm going to go around and say item 2 and item 3 right here, just like this. If I were to go around over here and click, then you can see that I can turn it into an unordered list or an ordered list right here. And as I go ahead and add in, let's say, more items, the numbers appear accordingly right here. You can go ahead and select out, let's say, a certain text right here and change around its color as you want as well, and even go to custom and change around the color as you want right here, just like this. So this is what you have, and then that is the text right here. So you can see that this is the text tool, and as I were to click on it over here on the left hand side, you can see that you get like title and then regular text right here. You can go ahead and choose the color scheme as you want right here, just like this, and then see the text actually change out right here. But if I were to go around over here, you can see that I can go ahead and change around the text over here, and that will affect out the text right here. So now you can see that this is the text box right here. You can go ahead and add an element onto the side right here and then pull it out and resize out the text box as I want as well. So since this is under the make your own section right here, you can see that it is quite flexible. You can go ahead and add in different elements. You can go ahead and drag this out right here. You can even go ahead right here, let's say, for example, and then let's say, for example, duplicate this out, and then you can see that this is what you have. So this is basically how you can work around with the text element inside of Strikingly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.